The 2026 Bentley Continental GT introduces the fourth generation of a definitive Grand Tour, shifting to an all-hybrid lineup that replaces the legendary W12 engine. It is available as both a hardtop coupe and a GTC convertible. Performance and drivetrain. All models utilize a 4-liter twin-turbo V8 paired with an electric motor integrated into an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission. Speed and Mulliner variants feature the Ultra Performance Hybrid system, producing 771 horsepower and 738 pound-feet of torque. 0 to 60 miles per hour, 3.1 seconds. Top speed, 208 miles per hour. The 2026 Bentley Continental GT Speed and Mulliner have an official EPA equivalent fuel economy of 19 miles per gallon combined. This model is a plug-in hybrid electric vehicle and can also operate in a purely electric mode. GT, Azure, and GTS variants use a high-performance hybrid setup delivering 671 horsepower and 686 pound-feet of torque. 0 to 60 miles per hour, approximately 3.1 to 3.5 seconds. Electric capability. A 25.9 kilowatt battery provides an all-electric driving range of up to 50 miles at speeds reaching 87 miles per hour. The 2026 Bentley Continental GT's GT, Azure, and GTS variants have an official EPA equivalent fuel economy of 19 miles per gallon combined. These models are a plug-in hybrid electric vehicle and can also operate in a purely electric mode. In this mode, the vehicle can go 50 miles without recharging. Chassis and handling. The 2026 model features the Bentley Performance Active Chassis to manage its increased weight of 5,421 pounds. Suspension. Active air suspension with new twin valve dampeners for greater flexibility between comfort and sport modes. Stability. A 48-volt active anti-roll system. Agility. Standard all-wheel steering reduces the turning signal at low speeds and improves stability at high speeds. Traction. Active all-wheel drive with an electronic limited slip differential on performance trims. Interior and technology. The cabin is handcrafted with premium materials including Napa leather and Dynamica fabric. Bentley rotating display. A 3-sided dashboard unit that flips between a 12.3-inch touchscreen, 3 analog dials, or a clean veneer panel. Wellness seating. Front seats offer 20-way power adjustment, heating, ventilation, and a 6-setting massage function. Audio options. Choose from a standard 10-speaker system, a 1,500-watt Bang & Olufsen 16-speaker setup, or a 2,200-watt NIM 18-speaker system. Customization. Over 80 exterior colors and 15 leather hide colors are available through the Mulliner personalization program. New featured 2026 colors. New addition and highlight colors for the 2026 model year include tourmaline green, a contemporary vibrant metallic green, gravity gray, a sophisticated new gray finish also available as a piano painted interior veneer, and Meteor, a deep metallic blue featuring an early 2026 Azure inventory. For 2026, the Continental GT's cabin emphasizes wellness and sustainable luxury. offering a near infinite array of combinations through the Bentley Mulliner program. Primary leather and color palettes. Bentley offers 15 standard high colors that can be configured in single tone or multi-tone splits. Materials and sustainable textiles. Dynamica, a high-performance microfiber often used on the seats, steering wheel, and gear level in the GTS and Speed variants for better grip. Quilting. The new precision diamond quilting is standard on the Speed, while the Mulliner variant features a unique diamond-in-diamond embroidery with nearly 400,000 stitches. Dark chrome, a new interior option for the Speed variant that replaces bright polished chrome with a subtle, smoky finish on the handles, switches, and speaker grills. The 2026 Bentley Continental GT moves to an all-hybrid lineup, resulting in a higher starting price compared to previous years. MSRP varies significantly by variant and body style. The 2026 MSRP estimates by variant. The following prices represent the base manufacturer suggested retail price before options, destination charges, or personalization. Variant GT body style coupe, $284,600 to $292,050. Variant GT body style GTC convertible, $313,100. Variant Azure body style coupe, $344,400 to $390,230. Azure GTC convertible, $369,300. Speed variant body style coupe, $354,000 to $396,485. Speed variant GTC convertible, $383,900. Mulliner variant body style coupe, $382,300 to $413,505. And the last but not least, Mulliner GTC convertible, $414,500 to $446,155. Key pricing notes. The hybrid tax. The 2026 hybrid models carry a premium of roughly $30,000 to $40,000 over the outgoing 2024 V8 models due to the advanced electric motor and battery tech. Dealer inventory pricing. Because Bentley is a highly bespoke brand, most vehicles currently at dealerships feature significant options. It is common to see available inventory prices well above the base MSRP, with some Mulliner models exceeding $474,000. Additional costs. MSRP does not include a destination charge, typically around $2,725, or the federal gas guzzlers tax, though the plug-in hybrid status may reduce the latter in some regions.